Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer your TickPick tickets after you sell them using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the TickPick app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on My Tickets at the bottom of your screen. Then look for the sold ticket or pending transfer selections. This shows all the tickets you have sold that need to be transferred to buyer. Find the ticket you sold and tap on it to open the details page. You will see information like the buyer, name, emails, and event details. Tap the transfer ticket button. TickPick will automatically link the ticket to the buyer's email. Double check the email and ticket information to make sure everything is correct. Once everything is correct, tap send ticket or confirm transfer. The ticket will be sent to the buyer and they will receive an email with instruction to claim it. You can go back to My Ticket to check the status of the transfer. It should be as transferred or completed. Once the buyer accepts the ticket, it's confirmed that the transaction is finished safely. And that's it. That's how you transfer your sold tickets on iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.